So this is a Hampton Bay Dorsey ceiling fan. 36 inches, 6-speed, DC motor. This replaced that Hampton Bay Minuet 2 that was in here, which is now a new addition to my collection. Blades are reversible from this silver color to this like weird wood texture or something. Here's the top. Under the top canopy is the downrod coupler. So for a Hampton Bay fan especially, this is actually a pretty decent fan. It is on par with performance of a Four Seasons in my opinion. It goes about as fast, if not faster, and it moves relatively the same amount of air. I still prefer vintage fans because they last a longer amount of time. And, I could be wrong. This might move even less air than a Four Seasons. So yeah, it being on par with performance of a Four Seasons, that was a lie. Just forget about that. Forget I said that. But yeah, 6 speeds, dimmable light and stuff. Here's the light. It's at its dimmest. Brightness warning. Full brightness. Different color temperatures. I like this setting, though my grandfather prefers this setting. Okay, that's enough. Now for speed 1. And it's going to accelerate a little bit, make it look like it's actually on high speed. It's not. There's the startup ramp a little bit. There you go. So yeah, this is speed 1. And it's already moving air. You can feel it. But yeah, this thing moves about as fast as a Four Seasons. It's got the same blade pitch, I think. Could be wrong. The only thing really stopping it from matching performance with a Four Seasons is the amount of blades. That's really all I can think of. I don't know. But yeah, it's definitely up there. And it performed way better than I expected for a Hampton Bay fan. But there's low, speed 1. Now for speed 2. Speed 3, basically medium. Speed 4. Speed 5. And speed 6. This is a pretty good amount of air. Reverse it. Takes right off. Go back and forward again. yeah, there you go. Hope you enjoyed. Peace out.